Hello everyone. Today we will learn units of time, solve word problems. Topic number 14, lesson 3. The objective of our lesson today is I can use representations to solve word problems about time. First, we have new vocabulary for today, a time interval. Time interval is an amount of time. Look how. Jacqueline made a list of the time he should spend on different activities. Jacqueline has practiced playing the piano 35 minutes so far. How much longer does he need to practice? First, what information do I have? Circle 35 minutes. And the second information that we have that he has practicing playing the piano. So we're going to the chart here and look for practice piano. Here is it. He has to practice on the piano for 45 minutes, but he practiced only 35 minutes. The question said, how much longer? How much longer means which operation I will use? Who said subtraction? Correct. So I'm going to subtract 45 minus 35. 45 minus 35 equals how many? Yes, 10. Excellent. Let's see. Now look how can we represent them using a bar diagram. Do you remember when we took the bar diagram before and we said here in the box we write the parts or the numbers that I have to add, and at the top I will write what? Correct, the total. So I have to add 35, or here, yes, we are subtracting. So 35 plus unknown, still I don't know the answer, but the total is 45. When I look at the bar diagram like this, I will immediately know that I need to subtract, remember? So you can also use the number line. How? I have 45, right? The total. So from 0, I will draw a line from 0 till 45. Since I'm subtracting, I will draw a backward line, okay? From 45 till 10, because the answer is 10. So here I can say that 45 minus 35 equals 10. Look now at this question. How much longer will it take Jacqueline to finish all of his after-school activities? Now look everybody here. He has the 3 activities, right? But on the practicing the piano, he has 10 left only. But it's still 50 minutes, 60 minutes, and 10. So I have to add all of them to know how much he still has to practice. So 50 plus 10, because he already practiced for 30 minutes. So 35 minutes, sorry. 50 plus 10, 60. 60 and 60, 120. So the answer is 120 minutes. Okay? Now, look at the first question here. Rudy plans to ride his bicycle for 55 minutes so far. He has ridden for 29 minutes. Everyone, circle 55 minutes. And circle 29 minutes. These are the information that will help us to find the answer. Now, underline what do I need to find? How many more minutes does he have to ride? Look, how many more? How many more means which operation? It's a vocab for which operation? Excellent, for subtraction. So I'm going to subtract 55 minus 29. Look at the diagram. it's showing that I need to subtract also. 55 minus 29 equals 26. Now, look at this question. Miss Darren spends the reading period working with two different reading groups. She meets with the first group for 23 minutes and meets with the second group for 17 minutes. So everybody circle our informations, 23 minutes and 17 minutes. How long is the reading period? So how long? I want the total of the reading period. Since I need the total, which operation I'm going to use? Excellent, addition. So I'm going to add 23 plus 17. Okay, now the answer will be 40. So look everybody. To represent it, I'm going to draw a first line from 0 till 23. Stop here. Okay? Then I will draw a second line, starts from, where did I stop? At 23, I will start from 23 till the answer is 40. Okay? So this is how we draw lines on the number line. Now, today I'm going to solve with you the independent practice. Claire and Owen played video games. The first game lasted 24 minutes. After the first game, Claire and Owen had lunch for 30 minutes. The second game lasted 36 minutes. Look here. How many minutes did they play the game? Did they play the game? So they are asking us about the game. Look, my students, I have three informations. Do you remember when I said before that we have to look at the question, and according to the question, I will know which informations that I'm gonna take? Okay, now look here. They want us only to find the answer of the game or the total minutes that they spent on the game. So, do I need for the 30 minutes of the lunch? No. So, cross it out. Cross out 30. So, the first game, yes, lasted for 24 minutes. So, circle 24 minutes. And the second information, the second also game. So, yes, I need this information. Lasted for 36 minutes. So, circle it. Now, how many minutes did they play the games? So I need to find the total of the minutes, right? In this case, which operation I will use? Excellent, addition. So I will add 24 plus 36 equals 60. And this shows us 24 plus 36 equals 60. Now, let's go to question number 4. In question number 4, Jan jogged for 60 minutes on Friday. Dino jogged 12 fewer minutes than Jan. Both friends swim for 40 minutes each week. Now look at the question. How many minutes did Dino jog on Friday? Look, jog. They're asking about how many minutes, yes, did Dino jog on Friday? So in this case, do I need the information of the swimming? No, I don't. So cross 40 out. So Jan jogged for 60 minutes. Yes, circle the first information. Dino jogged 12 fewer minutes. Circle 12 fewer minutes and underline fewer. When I see the word fewer, that means which operation I will use? Excellent, subtraction. So 60 minus 12 equals 48. Excellent. Question number 5. Mr. Hart's class is putting on a play. The play is divided into 2 acts. Now focus on this. Each act lasts 27 minutes. How many minutes long is the play? Now look everybody. I have only one information at 27 minutes. Direct information, okay? But they are telling us that the play is divided into 2 acts, and each one lasted for 27 minutes. So I have both of the plays 27 minutes, 27 minutes. To find the total, I will add 27 plus 27 equals 54. It's doubles, okay? Now, look at question number 6. A chef wants to bake a meal for 30 minutes. So far, the meal has been baking for 12 minutes. So the first information, circle the first information, 30 minutes. And circle the second information, 12 minutes. Now, how many more minutes does the meal need to bake? How many more? Underline how many more. How many more is a key word for which operation? Yes, excellent, for subtraction. So I will subtract 30 minus 12 equals 18. 18 what? 18 minutes. Excellent, students. Now, look at this question number 10 and 11. Question number 10 says, Sunya hikes up mountain Baldi. It takes her 25 minutes to hike to a cliff that is part way up the mountain. After that, she hikes for 17 more minutes. How many total minutes did Sunya spend hiking? So look at the question. First, circle 25 minutes and 17 more minutes. Underline more. More and how many total? So the question wants from us to find the total minutes, right? That means I'm going to add 25 plus 17 equals 24. In this case, as I told you, draw a number line. Now, you have to skip count by 10. It's always easier for you to draw it skip counting by 10. Okay, draw a line from 0 till 25, from 25 till 42, because the answer is 42. Question number 11. Meg walks a dog named Chip for 12 minutes. Then she walks Sparky. Finally, she walks Brownie for 18 minutes. Now focus on this, okay? She has 3 dogs. The first dog, Shep, is always she took him for a walk for 12 minutes. Then she walks Sparky. Okay? But they didn't mention for how many minutes, for how long. Finally, she walks Brownie for 18 minutes. Then she took a Brownie. So we have Shep, Sparky, and Brownie. All of them in total, Meg spends 52 minutes walking all 3 dogs. How much time did Meg spend walking Sparky? Okay, look at this diagram. This will help us to understand. Now, we have 3 dogs, right? First dog, Shep, is walking for 12 minutes. Sparky, we don't know. And then the last one is Brownie. Now, to find the missing answer first, I have to add 12 plus 18. Right? I'm going to subtract, yes, for how much time she's spending, or she spent time walking Sparky. I have to subtract, I know. But first, to subtract, I need to add the time of Shep and the time of Brownie, right? So step number 1, 18 plus 12 equals 30. Now, when I have the total number of 12 and 15, what do I have to do with 52? Step number 2, yes, I will subtract. So I will say 52 minus 30 equals 22, what? Of course, minutes. So the answer is 22. This was our lesson for today. Please do your homework and send it to me. I'm waiting your answers. If you have any questions, send me a message. I will reply. Have a nice day, everyone. I love you and I miss you. Bye.